Hello students, I welcome you all after your tests, and I do hope that all of you have been able to perform well in your tests, not just English but all the subjects. And in any case, if you're lacking in any particular subject, then yes, of course, this is the time that you gear up now and start practicing and regular practice and complete your notes on time. And yes, you need to be punctual now. Okay students, now for to start off with our session, the second session after unit test, I'm going to be giving you an activity for this week. Okay, now the activity is based on the chapter 4, that is of Beehive. The chapter is My Childhood. This chapter is based on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, so the activity that you are supposed to be doing is, what you need to do is, you need to find out 5 interesting facts about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and you need to note these 10 facts on an A4 sheet. Okay, the activity doesn't end here. The second step of the activity is that once you have prepared your A4 sheet, what you need to do is, you need to click a picture, convert it into a PDF file, okay, and send this to the email ID which is mentioned below, that is class9.vips.ldh@gmail.com. okay, and yes, the time that I am giving you for this activity is going to be 1 week. Okay, so this activity has to be submitted on 4th of August, that is by the coming Monday. Okay, and it has to be submitted within that time limit, and this activity is going to be counted as your internal assessment. So once I receive back your activities, you will be given marks on the same, and that is going to be added on to your internal assessments. Okay students, so please ensure that you take this activity seriously. It has to be done, and in case if anyone is not performing or not sending, if we don't receive your entries for the activity, then you will be definitely marked 0. Okay, so and you are going to be given 1 whole week for this, and I think that is a pretty sufficient time. Now 10 facts, I have written an example. The facts should be of this type. One of the fact which I can share with you right now is that Jainul-Abdin Kalam's father, okay, was a boat owner and imam of local mosque. Imam means kind of a caretaker. His ancestors were wealthy, but due to business failures, the family fortunes were lost, and the former president was forced to do odd jobs. Now, what kind of odd jobs he has done? This is one thing that you can pick up as a fact. What is his full name? That is also one sort of a fact. Okay, he used to sell newspapers to support his family. So I would like you to gather such facts about him and jot them down on an A4 sheet. This will expand your knowledge, and it will also help you to have a better understanding of the chapter that we are going to be doing the week after. Okay students, so this is this is all for this week for this session. So I look forward for your entries, for your activities, interesting activities. Okay, till then, all of you stay safe and stay healthy. And one more important thing students, before I end the recording, is that I hope that you all have completed your copies, and so far the syllabus that we have done, that your copies are complete, and yes, and they are ready, so that you don't find it difficult to cope up with the further syllabus that we're going to start on. Okay, so please make sure in this week, in case if you're left with any chapter and the copies still need to be completed, do that within this week along with this activity. Okay students, okay, so that is the end of the session. Thank you.